Good morning and welcome to another Dale Farm video. Hope you're going to enjoy watching. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah.
She's trying it, does she? Go on.
Let's have a look. Let's check her out. Dead.
Yeah.
So she's got two that are all right.
Come on, guys.
Is that one okay?
Come on.
They're okay.
Well, with lambing, we get losses, and a loss this morning. She's had 3 lambs, 2 are alive, so that's...
There doesn't look to be anything amiss with it, does there?
No, sometimes you get that.
Poor little thing. So it's not been the start that we were hoping for.
No.
But 2 healthy lambs is not a loss altogether. We're being spoiled with another absolutely beautiful day. So the day after they're born, when they've had a full day, we're catching them and we're moving them to a different field, which includes marking them up. Go on. Take it off me. Is she gonna go in? Taxi for Doris. Right.
Doris, come on.
Come on, Doris.
Hey, darling. Doris. Doris. Doris.
Right, let's get out of the way. Hello, Doris's baby. You're a baby girl. So we've got 1 girl and I think 1 boy. Smile, baby D, baby. Smile.
Hey, Doris.
Dogs, and I thought we could nail it extra, just as a temporary thing. So this is the current signage that we have, made by Nick, but we're just going to have a little bit of a backup sign.
On the gate.
So I think maybe there. Right, well, can't do any more other than patrol it with a gun. So we're midway through the day on Wednesday, and we've had 1 lambing and a few looking like they might be. And it's gloriously warm. What the heck's happened, eh?
Unreal, isn't it? Unreal. Perfect. Whoops.
Fantastic lambs.
Hello, you're a big lamb, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, good. How are we doing? You don't want water, you want milk.
You're a bit bloody. So these have just arrived this afternoon and it's very warm.
Yeah, they've only been born literally, say 10 minutes, if that. Perfect. Find 3 lambs on their own, all Well, not quite up and running, but all looking live.
We are up and down the fields, checking on them every couple of hours, and we spotted a few that were singled out that looked like they may get on with it. So that one has, and there's still a couple more that might before the day is out. I see you, bunny bunny. Bringing the churn down. And that is the sun going down on Wednesday the 8th of April. It's 6 o'clock. Time to go up the field. Got some mist on the hills over there and some pastel colours in the sky. So it's 6:30, the sun hasn't come up yet. So when we go round checking on the sheep, which we're doing every couple of hours now, from when we get up in the morning at about 6 o'clock we're up the fields, right the way through till 8 o'clock at night, checking every couple of hours. What we are looking for is signs that the sheep may be thinking about or starting lambing, one of which is that the sheep separates off from the rest of the herd. So we have now this year got some new vocabulary. We're saying that they are self-isolating, so when they go off into a corner out of the way from all the other sheep to get themselves a bit of privacy, because they like to lamb away from the others, which is a sensible thing to do. And generally they'll choose a spot that's quite protected as well, like in their head they're probably thinking about predators, so they'll tuck themselves away in a little corner. They might be pawing at the ground as well, getting up and down, being quite restless. So that's what we are looking for. So these two were born yesterday. They're going to have their rings on their tails and a little marker.
Is that enough to do? Old enough to try enough to do? Hello, what are you? Oh, yeah, right, over a bit more.
Got a few sheep sheltering under the wall. Get out the sunshine. No more lambs at this present moment. We are keeping a good eye on Mabel today, another one of my pets, from bottle feeding 3 years ago. Last year was her first time and she had an unsuccessful lambing. The lamb was dead. When we found her, the head was sticking out and the lamb was not breathing and she couldn't birth it, so we had to assist, but she did adopt a lamb, so it wasn't all lost, but it was a disappointment for her. So she is looking like she could be next, or she could be faking it, of course, but I'm keeping an eye on her. Okay, so this is new.
Yeah.
We are doing the last checks of the day and then looking forward to getting in bed. No activity at this moment in time, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Night, everyone.